Hello viewers, good evening. Welcome to another update from the ongoing project here at Kitty, Brikama Kitty. Yesterday I gave an update, then it was only the wall that was finished. But today, as we speak, the ground is also finished. Yeah, this is the entrance to the bathroom. As you can see, look at the tile. This is the tile for the floor, for the bathroom floor tile. See, so like I told you yesterday, this is where the toilet is going to be, and then here is going to be the bathtub. Okay, it's going to be the wash and base. Then if you move further down, as I said earlier, that will be the place for shower, and here is going to be the place for the bathtub. Here you see, look at how wonderful this place is. The last update I'll give from here is going to be when they fix the shower cage. There'll be cage for the shower and the center, another cage for the bathtub. Yeah, so that 2 or 3 people can use this bathroom simultaneously without the one disturbing the others. So if you want to have the quality of work, I told you always come to DG Construction and Real Estate. We are the best partner to give you when it comes to construction and housing. So while waiting for rush now to DG, our office is located at Sugar Traffic Light, where we can always give you the best of services. Okay, mbali ngana hansa mbali mola Brikama project ko kunum na update dia raja time woni wolo da male banta time wolo banta barbi duma fanam banta le so ala dina me kunum jambe man da buriya jala jandara dala ya wolo so jana kala kamoti. This place is going to be the toilet, John be wash and basically. Then you have your entrance. So you have one step, a form of a step, you buy a different banta. And here you go Kenemala, always I told you go to DG Construction. DG told them another Puka coalition and they are after me and idea after them. Yeah, generally showered. Nyindom table nibe siri wala sisiaka ya jonko na femo lycée beki je parce que halife man fendi ban so jamma famo jana famo kala jam ba topo wala be la jam so ko be trina temma famo ya avec be la jam ba topo be la jam so par sa metro jam the only update be mende la ko next wala ko sama be nga ba topo nyim fix nga ba topo fix on pareta nga shower fix de nga sawa sawa keñi bo faran na felala sawa keñi wala mo sabanane ma wotal sawa ko be kola dobe batto ko na be lal den mo kilno be wosan be sinoto moni mote ñoo jela mo sawa be sa yusno moni mote ñoo jela bot nga fa commune ni la fa dogo kende mala ikana DG Construction Real Estate wala sa kemo ila ftara nyame auto phone waddo ni nata ko te kam de diala but for now thank you very much.